Association of Indian Forging Industry is having their conference as well as their exhibition happening in Pune this time, Forgetech 2023. And we are having Lubrikote doing a campaign with machine maker, always forging ahead. Lubrikote, which is a very reputed company who is there in the Indian market for more than 48 years. They are pioneers in the casting lubricants as well as they have many products for the forging industry. Here, we are going to bring to you how Lubrikote is championing always forging ahead.
Our director, late Mr. Kishore Ramchandani, he was working in Switzerland. He understood the business there and then he came back to Bombay and he started manufacturing the consumables required in the field of aluminum die casting. The main thing with Lubrikote is that our director had a clear understanding of the process. We understood the problems, we get the first-hand information from the customer.
I've been using this Lubrikote product since last 18 to 20 years and I'm very much satisfied with the quality and the consistency of the product. It's really good. In fact, I propose this product to all other, the forging industries.
So we are here at Forgetech. Lubrikote is now setting up a separate company called the Smart Equipment Sales. We see a great future in India.
My experience regarding the Lubrikote is a very good lubricant. I am taking trial of white lubricant also.
छः साल से हम लुब्रिकोट यूज करते हैं। पहले हम क्या करते थे, जो नॉर्मल ऑयल होता है वो डाइयों पर मारते थे, उससे क्या होता, पॉल्यूशन फैलता था, सारा कुछ होता था। लेकिन जब से हमको पता चला कि यार एक वाटर बेस्ड लुब्रिकेंट भी होता है जो डाइयों पर मार सकते हैं हम और उससे डाई क्रैक नहीं होती, और तब से हमने यूज़ किया है तो हमको लगता है कि डाई लाइफ में हमारी इम्प्रूव हुआ है।
We are proud Indian company and going across the globe with our Make in India products which are performance centric as well as cost centric. We are making the forging lubricants as well as the die casting die release agents. We are market leaders in die casting release agents across India, having the market share of around 50 to 55%.
हर एक बंदा लुब्रिकोट इसके वजह से चॉइस करता है। उनका जो डाई लाइफ है कम से कम 20 से 22% राइज होता है। जो रिजेक्शन परसेंटेज है वो नियर अबाउट 1% 2% एक कम होता है।
India is sharing the center stage with the rest of the world. When we have foreign countries buying products from India, that itself speaks a lot that Indian quality is getting accepted worldwide. I think we are at the right place at the right time.
We are Lubrikote, we are forging ahead.